All right, guys, Corey Cedro here with Titan on Landscape. Just wanted to shoot a quick video here showing you how to replace the studs on this Bobcat S590. So what had happened is I added these new wheels. Well, they're not new, they're used. But I added these, probably 6 months ago. I got tire flat, so I'm running these solid tires. And anyway, so I got all four tires on, and I must have not got this back one tightened on there correctly because it became loose and it sheared the lug nuts off. So you can see here, these are all on here tight. Basically what had happened is these had loosened on this one, became loose. This started to rotate and it actually broke off two of these lug nuts right here. It actually just shredded, took the lug nuts and everything all the way down to the rim. So anyways, I had to replace those. And it's actually very simple for the most part to swap out these lug nuts. So here are the new ones. You can see how they basically just press in. So all you have to do is these slide through here. So to get the old ones out, you basically just have to take a hammer, punch them with a hammer, hit them, and they will literally work themselves out. Now the two that were sheared off, what I had to do is I had to drill kind of a small hole into this because it was flush. So it sheared off just like that, sitting there like that, and I drilled in, took a hammer punch, punched it out, and took all of them out. So all I got to do now is basically take these new ones. I got new bolts, new nuts. I'll take a hammer here. I'll punch it in from the back. I'll get them in. And then once they're in, I'll take this tire here. And throw it back on. Screw it in, screw the lug nuts in just like this. But obviously I got to punch this in. So if you guys got any questions, leave the comments below. But if you guys do ever break off a lug nut on your skid loader, this is a Bobcat S590. It's really simple to replace them. You literally just got to pull the wheels off, take the old nuts, punch them out, or the old bolts, punch them out. And then all I got to do is take these, punch it back in with a hammer, tighten it back up, and I should be good to go. So any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.